You know, for me, it's a way to give back to the place that's given so much to me. I had goosebumps on the first day that we canned the beer, and I'm seeing the Wright State can spinning around in the canning line. Idea came up that, hey, what would it look like if we had a Raider beer? And I was thrilled to death to be able to look into that, and today we're going to pull that off.
They're good beers, so they do a good job.
Let's meet the Wright State Nutters.
We're just excited to have our own beer inside the Nutter Center. I think that just makes so much sense.
Seeing it sitting at the bar at the reception and being able to tell people about it was exciting.
The beer has been a collaborative event with the athletics department themselves, with them bringing in folks to help pick the beer that they wanted to have available at Wright State to represent them. So it was a close voting, but the Blonde Ale won.
You know, got a little bit more flavor and citrus profile than just drinking a American light lager.
They found just the perfect name for a Blonde Ale and Wright State. I mean, it captures both.
So now we're selling it at games, and 50 cents from every sale goes back to Wright State Athletics. And so that's exciting to us, and we've had really, really good response with the beer. Not only the beer, but with the design of the can. It has our current Wright State logo, and then it also has Old School Rowdy, which everyone loves.
We hope that it starts, with being available at Nutter Center, and then we hope that people will be able to find it, throughout the Dayton region at the places where they go. We're at the beginning process of it.